Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make Marukome Miso soup. First, gather your essential ingredients: Marukome Miso paste, dashi stock, and any additions like tofu or seaweed. You will also need a small saucepan and a whisk or spoon. This simple process ensures a flavorful and comforting bowl of miso soup every time. We'll focus on achieving that perfect balance of savory umami. For a perfect bowl, start with 4 cups of dashi stock. This forms the base of your soup. Next, measure out 3 to 4 tablespoons of Marukome Miso paste. You can always adjust this amount to suit your preference for saltiness. Don't forget your favorite additions, like 1/4 block of silken tofu cut into 1/2-inch cubes and a pinch of dried wakame seaweed. Begin by bringing 4 cups of dashi stock to a gentle simmer in your saucepan. Avoid a rolling boil. While the dashi heats, take a small amount of the hot dashi and mix it with 3 to 4 tablespoons of Marukome Miso paste in a separate bowl until fully dissolved. Once dissolved, add this mixture, along with your tofu and wakame, to the simmering dashi. Heat gently for 2 minutes. Serve your delicious Marukome Miso soup immediately in small individual bowls. A sprinkle of freshly chopped green onions adds a wonderful fresh flavor and a pop of color. Remember, miso soup is best enjoyed hot, right after preparation. For those who love to plan ahead, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals to help with your meal prep. Enjoy your homemade, comforting soup.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.